Guys, it's Kim Dior and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a Chick-Fil-A mukbang. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications and please leave me some video ideas in the comments down below. So, let's get started. So, in today's video, I'm a little fries or whatever. I told them a large fry. This looks like a medium. But I want to talk about, my Christmas and how you guys' Christmas was. I don't like tomatoes or pickles on here. No. I gotta put the mayo on here. These fries getting cold. Look, Chick-Fil-A sauce. And some ketchup on here, baby. This about to get sloppy. I also have a strawberry lemonade. These fries, I don't like Chick-fil-A fries because they get cold quick. It's not an ASMR channel. These fries are cold. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I don't like these warmed up either. Let's move on. This just tastes like lemonade. What is this? They messed up my order. Strawberry lemonade. This is just lemonade. So, let's talk about Christmas, you guys. This kind of cold. Oh my God. Not present. So, how are you guys' Christmas? Was it pretty good? Did you get to hang out with family? What kind of food did y'all eat? So, for my Christmas, it was pretty good. No complaints. Everybody got a lot of stuff. I ended up getting this microphone for Christmas. I got some tennis shoes, some gift cards, money. What else? These charm bracelets. Stuff for my YouTube channel. Everybody had a great Christmas. Like, I'm so grateful. God has really blessed us. Not just whole year. I'm so mad this is not strawberry lemonade. This is regular lemonade. I can taste the difference. Who likes to eat their fries first, kind of? Chick-fil-A sauce, ketchup, fries. So yeah, so hold on, y'all. This is kind of cold. It's all sauce. So yeah, God has really blessed us as far to be able to still receive stuff, give stuff, and this Christmas was really good. For dinner, we had a traditional Christmas food. We had my daddy cooked a prime rib, baked potato, green beans, rolls, mashed potatoes, stuffed mushrooms. That prime rib though, fire. Tell me in the comment down below box what type of food did y'all have for Christmas. This time was kind of cold. It's so messy. I put too much sauce on there. I'm almost done. This is not a large fry. This was absolutely not a large fry. No, ma'am. So, what do you guys hope in the year 2021? Do y'all believe that COVID is going to be gone? I don't. I just feel like people not taking it seriously. And yeah, I feel like people not taking it seriously. I hope I don't got nothing on my face. And it's all y'all Americans' fault, because even though it came from China, American people, we don't give. And it's y'all fault. It's not that deep to be partying and all of that like you have next year. It's y'all fault. And with no mask on, still partying like it's 1995. And then the celebrities, like, why do they get leeway? Why do they get leeway? That's not fair. And they need to get COVID parties need to be shut down. I can go rambling on and on, but that's topic. I just hope everybody stays safe. I hope I get to travel next year. I'm so kind of unsatisfied with this Chic-Fil-A. Because this is not a large fry. But I'm still be hungry after this. Why do this microphone keep on leaning? Did y'all see it turn on its own? Like, what's the tea? Like, regular lemonade is not that good. But I hope I get to travel. I haven't really been nowhere except for, well, I lived in Kansas City for 3 years at college. Florida, Orlando, Miami. Miami was when I was like 15. Indianapolis don't really count. Ohio. That's it. I want to go to LA, New York, Miami, Vegas, and probably one. That's my, maybe next year if this corona. But I want to go with them 5 main. maybe go to Atlanta, and then like out of state. I have a whole, I'm not gonna tell y'all because I can't even think. It's just so many places that I want to explore. Everybody should explore. It's just, okay. Everybody should explore like places. That's just how I feel. I want to go maybe to Bora Bora, Fiji, London, Jamaica, Paris, Greece. A whole lot of chocolates. Whole lot of places. I could have got a regular lemonade, but this a large lemonade. I'm so mad. I should have got chicken nuggets or something else. Like the mukbangers who be having all spread out of food, but baby, it costs money. And I'm not really trying to get bigger than what I am. Ooh, excuse me. But this wasn't that satisfying today. Like they really gave me a medium. They is so scared. So if you like more mukbangs like these, please comment down below and tell me. Also, please give me some more video ideas because I need some, baby. And guys, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a month. It's just been a lot going on since it's the month of Christmas, and it's just been a lot. So I'll try to post more and see you guys later.